Have you ever glanced through job listing on LinkedIn and wondered what skills you should develop to stay relevant in tech? Perhaps you're just starting off and do not want to waste your time on out-of-date courses or random tutorials that provide no value. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we are going into something quite practical, the top 10 trending tech courses for 2025. These are not simply hot issues. These are the actual courses that employees are looking for, recruiters are inquiring about, and teams are actively developing products around. Whether you're a software engineer, a business analyst, a data geek, or just starting out in technology, this list will help you understand what to learn, where to acquire it, and why it is important. But before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also check out Edureka's website for top trending tech certification courses, the link to which is given in the description box below. So let's get started. At number 10, we have no-code and automation tools, an underappreciated but rapidly increasing area. These technologies allow you to create applications, automate process, and run enterprises without ever touching code. Consider tools like Zapier, Notion, Airtable, Glide, or Bubble. Companies today demand employees who can move quickly and automate tedious tasks. This is extremely important for operations team, digital marketers, and even solopreneurs. Career options include automation specialist, no-code app developer, and workflow designer. Even roles such as product operations and marketing tech specialists are adopting these tools. In India, the average wage for these professions is from 6 to 12 lakhs per year. However, freelancers with these talents often charge 1,000 to 3,000 per hour on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. It is a wonderful starting place if you do not have a coding experience but want to get into technology. AR and VR development ranks 9th, and it's finally becoming more than a buzzword. With devices like Apple Vision Pro and MetaQuest gaining popularity, companies in real estate, education, gaming, and even healthcare are aggressively seeking XR developers. This course will teach you how to create immersive experience with Unity, Unreal Engine, and tools such as ARKit. Career opportunities include positions such as XR developer, Unity developer, and 3D simulation engineer. Companies that specialize in metaverse applications, edtech, or virtual training modules are constantly seeking expertise in this field. In India, entry-level AR/VR developers earn roughly 6 LPA, while professional developers with 3D engine abilities earn 15 to 25 lakhs per year. It is a niche, but the development curve is real and rapid. Next up, number 8 is product management in tech, which is suitable for those who want to lead tech projects without having to write code. Product managers work at the crossroads of business, design, and engineering. You'll study agile, user research, roadmap planning, and how to use tools like Jira, Figma, and Confluence. In the long run, this offers up opportunities for roles such as Associate Product Manager, Product Analyst, and Senior Project Manager. It is also one of the best paying non-coding positions in the industry. In India, entry-level project managers can anticipate roughly 12 to 18 LPA, whereas seasoned PMs at huge tech organizations frequently make 30 to 60 lakhs per year, including bonuses and shares. It is competitive, but if you enjoy problem solving and cross-functional work, it is an excellent choice. At number 7, we have blockchain development and Web3. While the cryptocurrency euphoria has subsided, practical blockchain applications are thriving. Think about smart contracts, digital identification, and asset tokenization. These lectures often cover Solidity, Ethereum, dApps, and technologies such as MetaMask integration. Blockchain gives up opportunities for smart contract developers, Web3 front-end engineers, and blockchain consultants. Companies that develop decentralized finance tools, NFT platforms, or enterprise ledgers are still actively hiring. Blockchain developers in India get starting salary of 10 LPA, with top-tier professionals earning 25 to 40 lakhs yearly, particularly with proven GitHub projects or open source contributions. This is still the place to be if you want to work on cutting-edge technology. At number 6 are DevOps, Site Reliability Engineering, and Platform Engineering. This field focuses on ensuring that software systems perform smoothly, scale efficiently, and recover quickly. You will learn about Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and monitoring stacks like Prometheus and Grafana. Most teams today seek engineers who can create code and automate infrastructure. This course prepares you for professionals like DevOps Engineer, SRE, Platform Engineer, and even Infrastructure Architect. These skills are required by all cloud-first businesses. In India, DevOps experts with 2 to 3 years of experience typically earn 12 to 18 LPA, whereas senior roles can command 25 to 40 lakhs or more. Particularly in fintech, SaaS, and global product firms. If you enjoy solving problems and scaling difficulties, this is an excellent career path. Now, moving on to number 5, cybersecurity. As more businesses move online and manage sensitive data, the demand for cybersecurity professionals has surged. From ethical hacking to incident response, cybersecurity specialists are required to safeguard firms from ever-evolving threats. Systems rely on ethical hacking and incident response against evolving threats to stay protected. You'll learn about technologies such as Kali Linux, Metasploit, and firewall management, as well as risk assessment and security protocols. Career options include security analyst, ethical hacker, and cybersecurity consultant. This area also provides opportunity to climb to positions such as CIO. In India, entry-level cybersecurity specialists can earn 6 to 12 LPA, while experienced professionals can earn 20 to 40 lakhs per year, particularly in finance, healthcare, and tech companies. With data breaches and ransomware assaults on the rise, this career path is not only profitable but also necessary in today's digital environment. Cloud computing and Amazon Web Services come in 4th place. As businesses migrate from traditional data centers to the cloud, the demand for cloud engineers, architects, and developers has never been greater. Learning AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud will provide you the ability to create and operate scalable and secure cloud infrastructures. You'll also learn about containerization, cloud storage, and DevOps integration. Career opportunities include positions such as cloud engineer, cloud architect, or cloud solution architect. The cloud is where the most tech companies are investing their resources. Therefore, potential are limitless. The average income for cloud professionals in India is approximately 10 LPA, whereas senior architects and engineers in fintech, e-commerce, and SaaS enterprise can earn up to 25 to 50 lakhs per year. If you enjoy developing scalable systems and working with cutting-edge infrastructure, this is a career path worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML have taken the technology world by storm, with applications ranging from data analysis and self-driving cars to personalized recommendations and natural language processing. These courses cover algorithms, deep learning, and frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Data scientist, ML engineer, and AI researcher are among the career options available, with AI becoming a crucial differentiator in industries ranging from healthcare to finance. There is a high demand for competent professionals. In India, entry-level AI/ML specialists make 8 to 12 LPA, whereas senior professionals earn 20 to 45 lakhs annually, particularly in AI research, computer vision, or NLP professions. If you are interested about the future of technology and want to work at the cutting edge of innovation, AI and machine learning are promising careers. At number 2, we have data science. The demand for data-driven insights has never been higher, with firms from all industries relying on data scientists to make educated decisions and achieve business outcomes. This course will teach you how to clean data, analyze statistics, visualize data, and use machine learning. You'll also gain hands-on expertise with R, Python, SQL, and data visualization technologies such as Tableau and Power BI. Career opportunities include professionals such as data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. This is one of the most lucrative professions in technology right now, with numerous chances in industries such as e-commerce, banking, healthcare, and others. In India, entry-level data scientists earn between 8 to 15 LPA, but experienced professionals might command 25 to 50 lakhs or more, especially in digital startups and worldwide organizations. If you enjoy working with numbers and are passionate about extracting significant insights, data science is an excellent career path. And finally, at the top of the list is software development, specifically full stack, front-end, and back-end development. This is the foundation of the tech industry, whether you're developing website, mobile app, or big business systems. You will be working with programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, and Java, as well as frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js. Full-stack web development in particular is one of the most sought-after skills because it encompasses both front-end and back-end programming. Career in software development are diverse and profitable. You could work as a front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack developer, or a software engineer. This industry provides excellent job stability and growth opportunity. Entry-level developers in India often earn 6 to 12 LPA, while senior developers might earn 20 to 50 lakhs annually, depending on the organization and experience. Big IT organizations and worldwide startups are looking for top-tier talent. And if you enjoy coding, Software development remains one of the finest job options for 2025 and later. And that's a wrap. Whether you want to upskill, transition into technology, or go further into areas of expertise, these courses can lead to a variety of exciting and well-paying employment. The technology sector is changing faster than ever, and with appropriate course, you can be a part of it. So which course is drawing your attention? Please let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed listening to this video, please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment on any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them as soon as possible. Look for more videos and playlists and subscribe to EduTech's YouTube channel to learn more. Happy learning!